Okay, go ahead.
Alright guys, I want to go over this real quick because this right here is pretty much proof of a CNC being worked, and this is 3,500 years ago. You feel this, how perfect this is right here. Here's the belly button, okay? And here you can feel how perfectly smooth it is all the way to the dagger right here.
Or Chris.
Okay? Well, whatever. And then with these lines here for the kilt and the belt, this is CNC work. I don't give a fuck what anyone says. This cannot, there's no artist in the world that's this perfect. I mean, this was all polished. Remember, this is 3,500 years ago, okay? I mean, this statue back here that we're going to go look at next is another total proof. I mean, but this right here, I mean, being able to touch it and feel it and know, this is CNC work. There's no doubt about it. So we'll go back over here and we'll take a look at this.
Okay,
All right.
I'm recording. Go ahead.
Yeah, here it is.
Skyway, go.
Here it is right here. This block of granite, which I'm going to say is close to 20 tons. I'm 15 tons. 15 tons. This is a 15-ton block of granite. And you come over here, and this was set through a gang saw right here, and you can see that it's cut, the face of it. Come take a look at it here. No doubt whatsoever, this is cut. This is not grinded. This is nothing. You can't do it. It's cut. This is cut with a blade. And after it was cut, then you have a CNC that came in here and did these owls right here. This was all polished.
Oh, I'm trying to show the cut.
I mean, you tell me. Look at that. I mean, you can see it cut.
And the CNC is a machine that it can cut the granite.
Oh yeah, it comes in and it'll grind it, goes zzz, and it'll have it. See how that smooth and how
also
radius is it?
Yeah, it's
It used to be polished too.
Yeah, that was polished, and you can see even the feather right here. It's a computer that did this right here. No one did this. No one came in here and said, "Oh, I'm gonna make it perfect like this." It would have took them forever. Unless, I mean, it would have took them fucking forever. Forever.
If they mess up one time, the king, the freaking pharaoh would go like,
Here's-
"Get out of my face!"
Okay,
Throw it away.
here's the proof of everything. Okay, number one, Mustafa, did they have diamonds?
diamonds.
They never found any, right?
Never found any
Okay.
diamonds
All right. What did they use?
for cutting.
Yeah.
What was found only a material called diorite, which is much more harder than the granite used in cutting the obelisks
Right. And the granite quarries,
in the
which is total bullshit, which we already looked at. Okay. So basically, what they're saying that they used diorite to go ahead and cut these perfect cuts. Okay. Not diamonds, which is bullshit. Number one. Number two, then they polished it. How did they polish it? With urite also? They had different grits of urite? Huh?
In fact,
I'm just asking.
Yeah, for sure. But the strange thing, where is the diamonds?
Right.
They took it with them again.
Who knows?
Who knows?
It's 3,500 years ago. The whole thing is that if they didn't use diamonds, then they had a technology that is unknown to us now. And that's it. Because the only way that you can polish this is to use different grits. Okay? So you got to go from a heavy grit to a very fine grit to polish. And this was definitely polished, no doubt whatsoever. This was definitely cut. I mean, I would like to have a square. I don't have a square right now. Do you have anything that's square, that's straight? Anything that's straight, anything.
Here, what do you want to do?
Well,
like,
fuck it. Just put it on there. Look at that. You can't even see the light in between it. Put it on there just like it was. Look at that. You can't. Look at that. Look at that. You can't even see the light in between the sign.
Yeah.
Fuck you.
Perfect.
That's all it is.
Straight.
That is fuck you. That's what that meant right there. Look at it. Look at it from the side here. You cannot see anything. So it is perfectly square. Put it over here now. Perfectly square. Look at this.
Yeah.
Keep on coming. Okay? And you're telling me that some human did this bullshit. Liar. Put it right here now. Perfect. Put it here now. Perfect. Hold on. Put it on its foot. There you go. Perfect. Put it here now. Perfect. Come. I mean, look. You can see it on that side?
Yeah. I meant
I mean, I don't know what other proof we need. You're telling me that a human being can say, okay, well, I'm going to make it perfectly square by hand. I'm sorry it's not happening. I'm sorry. This was cut, and this was cut to precision on a gang saw or with something that was foreign, I mean, which is alien to us. Absolutely. This is perfect. I don't even know what else to say. That's it. That is proof. No doubt whatsoever.
If you do by hand, you could have put one right there. You can see.
Yeah. Well, so I mean, that's all there is to it.
Yeah.
And I don't know what else to really say. Let's leave it at that.
Okay.
We'll go to this statue over here because that statue is just fucking mind-boggling.